In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB Physics repeated questions under atmospheric pressure. So we have 6 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first one I have here says, using the diagram above as a guide, determine the pressure of the gas. We have atmospheric pressure to be 75 cm mercury. Okay, so to solve this question, basically all you need to do is we have the atmospheric pressure to be 75, so this will give us 75 plus the difference between this length and the smaller length we have there. So we have 12.6 minus 2.5. all right, so 12.6 minus 2.5 basically will give you 10.1. so you'll be left with 75 plus 10.1. So when you punch this on the calculator, you're going to have 85.1 cm mercury. Okay, so the closest answer here is this option A, which is 85.4. all right, so basically the answer will be option A. So that's it for this question. Let's wipe this now, solve the next repeated question. Alright, so the next repeated question will be this one. It says, in the diagram above, the pressure of the gas is... So for this particular question, let me show you how you're going to solve it. What we have here, we have 76 cm here, cm mercury. So to get the pressure of the gas, all you need is to add the 76 there with this 10 we have here, plus 10. This will give you what, 86, alright, cm mercury. So the correct option is what, option A. Alright, so that's it for this question. It's as simple as this. Let's look at the next repeated question, which is this one. It says, let me wipe this. Okay, so the question says, the height at which the atmosphere ceases to exist is about 80 km. If the atmospheric pressure on the ground level is 760 mm mercury, the pressure at a height of 20 km above the ground level is... Alright, so for this question, let me show you guys how you can solve it. We are going to apply, let's get our parameters. So we have our H1 to be 80 km. We have our P1 to be 760 mm mercury. We have our H2 to be 20 km. We have our P2 is unknown. So to get a P2, just apply this formula: P1 over H1 equals P2 over H2. So when you cross multiply, so you're going to have our P1 is 760 over our H1 is 80 equals our P2 is unknown and our H2 is 20. So when you cross multiply, you're going to have 760 times 20 over 80. Alright, so let's punch this on this calculator. It's going to give us, we have 760 times 20 divided by 80. So we have the output to be what, 190 mm mercury. The correct option in this question is option D. Alright, so that's it. Let's wipe this now, solve the next repeated question. So the next repeated question with this question, it says, the barometer which functions as an altimeter is what? We have a manometer, an aneroid barometer, a mercury barometer, a Fort barometer. So the correct option in this question is option B, which is an aneroid barometer. The next question will be this one. It says, which of the following devices are used to measure pressure? We have aneroid barometer, hydrometer, hygrometer, manometer. So the correct option in this question will be option I and IV, option A, manometer and aneroid barometer only. So the next subject question, the last one here, is this question. It says, the atmospheric pressure of air was determined to be 760 millimeter mercury by who? So we have Evangelista Torricelli. So that's basically the correct answer to this question. No need checking B, C, and D. So take note of this particular question. So that's it for this video. We practice with 6 repeated questions under atmospheric pressure for your JAMB Physics. Hope there's something interesting. Let's create a video. If you are new to our channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of my videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Then I achieve what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of our channel membership by clicking on the join button to be part of the community there, where you'll be receiving special information that will help to simplify your academic work. Alright, so having done that, click on the screen above and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.